G'day guys, Ando from Boss Outdoor. This lure's had a bit of a bust up. The rear treble's been bent out by a fish. Now we can't use that. You could potentially try and straighten it out, but you're only going to weaken the structural integrity of that hook, which will consequently lead you to failure and loss of a decent fish. We're going to change that hook. You're going to need a set of split ring pliers to do that. There are an array of pliers on the market, and I suggest you use a set to do this activity because it will save your fingernails if you try and open them up with your fingernails. But for today's exercise, we're going to use the trusty Boss Outdoor split ring pliers, which are a multi-tool. They've got snips, pliers, and the split ring pliers, which we require today. So you can see that the hook needs replacing. There's the split ring that attaches the hook to the hard body, and here's our replacement treble. So I've got the hook out of the way, and the split ring is being opened with those pliers just there. And what I'm going to do now is just slide that hook into that opening, use the pliers to grab the ring, rotate the ring around, and that hook is now off. The important part here is that little nib on the end of those pliers. That's what separates the split ring for you, and then you have the actual plier jaw there to hold the ring or the hook. So now we're going to grab the split ring pliers and separate that split ring just there like that. We're going to grab our replacement treble and just slide it on into that opening, and then we're going to grab the ring and just rotate it around like that until it goes all the way onto the other end of the split. And there you have it, a replacement treble, and that lure is now ready to roll and catch another fish.